Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I got some news from Glowforge that they updated their website for both the catalog and the shop. So if you buy material from them or you download any like free designs or paid designs from them, this is going to benefit you the most. If you don't do either of those two things, then this video may not be for you. That's okay. We'll see you guys in the next one. But if you're interested to see what they've done, I'm going to show you both of those really quickly. And it's going to be kind of a quick video here. So real quick, we're going to start on the catalog section. If you click that, it's going to bring you to this website here like always. If you have free with premium and you pay for premium, you can do that. This is probably what you're going to use the most. If you want to see all their designs, including the paid designs, you can click over here. So we're going to just focus on the one that most people use, the premium feature. And as you can see all of the designs right here. You can scroll through endlessly like you did before, where it'll just keep populating the more you scroll down. And you can find whatever design you want to print like that if you want to. Or if you want to do a quick print, we can do one less than 15 minutes with this advanced toolbar over here on the side that they added. So we'll just click on that. Let's say we want it to be a beginner skill level. We'll click on that. And as you can see, it filtered all of those out. So everything that's under 15 minutes and it's considered for beginners, that will show up now for you guys. So this is a really cool new feature. I really like that they did this. There's a really cool feature that they added too. So if you find a design that you like and you like the artist of that design, and you want to find it, you can either search for their name right here now, or you can scroll through alphabetically, find their name. So for example, right here's my name with my company right next to it. You'll just click on that and it's going to filter for you. So as you can see, here's all of my designs. I've got 21 of them on here so far that you guys can print off. So if you see something here that you'd like to print and you want to try out from me, you can do it like that. You can find it real nice and easy. This makes it really easy for designers who wants to link it to you guys so you can find it easier for them. But yeah, that is a really cool added bonus and feature that Glowforge did here. So I really appreciate that they added that in there for people. So next up, we're going to show you the shop. So if you click on shop, it's going to open up to this website here. If they've got like a discount going on, it'll show up there. And then if you scroll down a little bit, it looks like they also have the catalog option over here. So if you need something there, you can get it here too. Or here is your actual material. And if you scroll down just a little bit further, you can actually buy another Glowforge printer if you need, or the spare parts here. So I'm going to open the spare parts in a new tab. We're going to get to that in just a second. But let's go ahead and click on all material here. And then when you're in here, you can select from the different material types if you want. But what I personally like with their update is if you click on shop all material one more time, it'll show you everything just like that design catalog where you can scroll through endlessly, or you can kind of filter out quickly. This is why I like this option here with the new feature. Just click 12 by 20 if you want the full sheet. And then I usually use medium materials, so I'm going to click on medium. And there you go. This shows you everything that's medium and 12 by 20 real quick on a big spreadsheet here. And you can see all of the prices quicker this way. So that's a really cool benefit here. I really appreciate that they added this for people who use these features and these materials. So that's the shop for the materials. Now we're going to get to that spare parts that I opened. So here is your spare parts shop. They don't really have that advanced feature filter here, but they don't really have too many designs that you can scroll through or parts here. But I wanted to point out really quickly a couple parts that I would recommend that you get. I would definitely get the black lid cable, both wheels, the front and the pulley wheels here. It seems like a lot of the newer machines, the wheels have been cracking on them. So I would get those as a spare, especially if you use this for a business and you don't have a backup laser. And then lastly, the white lid cable. I know on some of the older machines, the cable is a little tight and that tend to fray or get damaged as well. So just a heads up on all of those would be the 4 recommendation parts. And then if you can get extras, you can get like a extra head lens. This would be another part that could potentially go bad. But there's all sorts of different options here. If you needed a specific part, go ahead and get what you need and go from there. Other than that, that is pretty much their updated website here. I hope it helps some of you guys out that actually use this feature. And I like to keep you guys up to date whenever I find something new. Other than that, we'll catch you guys in the next one.